Isigaba sesithathu se-lockdown esibuyekeziwe sonqanda imicimbi eminingi insuku eziyishumi kubalwa nokuvalwa kotshwala kanye namabhishi nembandela ongabe uvanzi phakathi kwehora lesishiyagalolunye ebusuku kuya kweleshumi ekseni. Indawo zokudlela zizovalwa ngehora lesishiyagalombili kusihla insuku zonke. Ivakashi izikhahlamezekile.
Siplane kudala lento lena enesabhadala imali lana to have ifani. Manje ifani yethu say restricted, like it feels like it's waste imali in a way.
Obviously came down to Durban to swim in the sea, so look how lekker the weather is. Would have been lekker to be swimming in the sea, chilling on the beach, skateboarding here on the promenade, then going for a swim. So it's difficult. I think people won't be able to train, swim in the sea. I mean, that's the main thing.
Ezinye ivakashi seyicabanga nokuphindela emakhaya.
As long as if the hotel pool stays open, then we'll stay. Otherwise, we'll have to go back to Joburg early.
Yeah, there's nothing we can do because, I mean, the holiday must be cut in short because the president said almost everything is closed.
Eqashwe ngolokhozi KwaZulu-Natal kubalwa iTheku, uMgungundlovu, uGu, Harry Gwala, King Cetshwayo neLembe. Uhulumeni umemezela ukuthi imigomo yesigaba sesithathu izoba khona kuze kube mhla zi-15 kuMasingana. Bongani Gema, indaba ze SABC eThekwini.